Herbal, detox. Anybody buying herbal, detox? You got it right here. Check me and Marcia ever bless. Sorry. Unspeak my mind entertainment. Herbal detox. What's up again, Speak My Mind family? What's up? How you all doing, people? How you all doing? How you all doing? Me have herbal and detox things are selling on herbal things, you know? Yes, man. Speak my mind, people. Wanna know what they do? Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. My belly getting big. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. I'm pleased to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel. Speak My Mind Entertainment. Life is a Mission TV. Remember the young entrepreneur college student, Life with Gabby and Chevy, link of our YouTube channel is also in my comment section. Please and thanks, give her a subscription. Help her to reach that 1000 subscribe and leave her now for go look her watch hours. Although I still have to help her while watching the video, but that will motivate her when she see the 1000, knowing that now she have to post to gravitate to the people, them, or make the people them gravitate to her channel with the content that she put out if she want that 4000 watch hour. And remember Tamika Davis, her YouTube channel link is in my community. I repost. They are both actually families. So just give them a subscription. Now cost $1. Detox. Herbal. My belly I get big. Wanna hear it, people? My belly that, you know? Yes, man. People, Marcia entering into a new adventure. Marcia selling detox herbal medicine. But one thing me know, people. Everybody me come across selling these type of medicine, detox herbal something. Them always come and tell you about for them experience and have their experience to show you, because most time when they're selling these things, they sell it to people who they know, like she, you know, who is not on that wide scale of herbal business. You will introduce somebody to it. What better way to introduce a friend or a combo to herbal medicine, say it work? You don't have to take it first. You don't mean if you buy it and have it at your yard and advertise it and I say you don't start take it as yet, but you advertise it for people come buy it. You're supposed to take it first. And when it works for you, you is a living testimony of it work. Once as you say you follow your diet and follow the instruction of what to eat and what not to eat, when to eat and how to eat. But you can't just buy the product and have a your yard and then no one come promote the product and sell the product. That simple mean is a money making thing. You're not really depend preaching herbal life. Anyway, people, me not there to fight down nobody, you know. But me just attack it as it is and how me see it. Because most people when me see a sell herbal product, they venture into the business with the experience that they gain from using the product. Because now they are a living testimony, because when they venture out there to friends and cumbalers and them say, Lord, oh, you look so small. Oh, your tummy come down so small. Remember one time when your belly out there, so you come down. You now can say, okay, it is the herbal, detox, good herbal medicine, and you start promote it. Now you convince people to try it, because them can see the result where you is concerned. Because them did remember when you did big so like bigger food. You understand? And yeah, so did stay so like Daffy the duck. And when they look now, them not see no Daffy the duck, them see flatters. Them not see no bigger food, them see Popeye. So them know say it working for you once I eat your take. And all they have to do now is follow the diet. As me say, follow the instruction when to eat, how to eat. Anyway, listen, Marcia selling her herbal products.
Understand? And true, me grow up in a one way too. But most of we make that transition to go and do cut up on a body and do something on a
Hold on. But me never remember hear her talk that party when me did a listen to the video. So man says a continuation of the first video this. Oh, you just depend that body business so. Is this a part of you eating out on those people who are doing body? Before then do body, then we come take herbal. Okay, it's a promotion thing. Alright.
Supposed to see a psychiatrist. And seeing a psychiatrist is not a bad thing. I know for one bloggers right up on social media, only need to see a psychiatrist.
Like you.
Because you cannot put no trust in people. You need to put no trust into the doctor.
This is how you talk of experience. And this is why I'm saying you have to use the herbal medicine first and the detox and all these things so you can come speak of a living testimony. Like how now you are speak of a living testimony. So you need to see doctors and therapists. You understand? Yes, because this is a living testimony, you know. You need to see the doctor, you need to see therapy, you need to see everything. Yes, man. This is your living testimony. I believe you in other one, yeah.
Office that protect on the right. The HIPAA law. So that means anything wanna tell them can't go out tell people. But no one wanna take each other as a psychiatrist and telling it. That's why so much war up on social media now. Because people are coming and sharing them experience with someone. But uno self no come back and take care tell them.
People who can't believe this one because this one is a living testimony. Yes, living testimony.
So I advise me know from the year started and certain things. Me not tell my people me not have nothing to talk really, but if me have something on my mind
from the year start, but all those was a years.
You know?
She used to tell after winter, summer, and everybody, Queen was and everybody her business.
So my acquaintances them like how me to talk to them. No, I only Facebook foolishness I talk to them about. But if I have to go somewhere, I go to a auntie. And me go straight into me.
That is of this year, you know, not last year. And the years before.
So
she gets soaked, she wet, right, you know, so basically she stopped doing it. She learned.
Continue to tell each other on a business and talk certain things and things say on a secret, I keep anything, I keep it going dash right back out because money I run things now. Mm-hmm. Yes, my dear.
People paying for information.
Me not have nothing to say to no friends out there or anything more than chat Facebook business. Chat to no. That's all. That is all I have. Or if we're making a little trips or going somewhere, but anything deep, me not have nothing to tell nobody. I mean not see nothing deep, but me tell us if me have anything deep, me must know who to go to. But otherwise, it's simple little rash thing when they can't come. Any little laugh off of a man, laugh off a woman, laugh off a Facebook and chat, but nothing deep. If me hungry, don't wait. If I could have go to my friend and tell me hungry, I would have never do it. You understand? If me want something, me wouldn't go and tell them I want it. No. But life like a situation, okay, you know, Facebook so and so, so my boyfriend, they come over last night and he brings some little flowers. Oh, them fuck credit. Mm-hmm. Or anything deep. Me not talk that blood clot.
People, I forgot to make you know. I already done a video already, you know. Yes, man, I've done a video earlier on, but people, anytime when I see me do a video on the ear, from the ear the time or the day, and it's not that day on the see it, you don't know what that means. YouTube put on a grip on it. You know? So you might get it at a later date. We might have said, well, alright, yeah man, you don't see that video on Tuesday or you don't see that video on Monday. But all Thursday before you see it. You must know say I will YouTube all on it and me review it. So when you don't see it, I let it go. Because I do one video people. And I tell you. It's a video about a ex-member of the Tell Like Camp attack up the things them. And me don't really see nothing in the video where them for hold on pan. But them hold on pan the video. Me have seen worse a video than that where them hold on pan and then let it go. Me see worse a video than that way. Me that expect them to hold on pan and then hold on pan. Sometimes me just can't understand. You know? Just can't understand. So, in order for me to get something to watch, me did have to, you know, find something else to go on to watch. So, the video we might release today Monday, I know it will not get. I sure know them are going free it up because, as me say, that's how them stay. So, they might end up see that video then probably Tuesday or Wednesday by them free it up. Alright? So, make we continue listen to Marcia promoting our herbal.
No, I'm not happy. No, I'm happy. So we have to learn from mistake. So I'm telling you, we don't have to find a way on ourselves. For love on ourselves. Yes, it's just that we're not strong enough mentally to lose the weight. Because losing the weight is a mind thing. You have to know consistent, like how me doing a morning time.
For you, it's not going to be a mind thing. Your problem is a gut thing. You just love your belly. You can't see food and not want it to eat. Like how you store the food them in the fridge. And them sitting there. Because if you have that way you have in front of you. And all the detox you detox. If you not leave out them whole heap of fridge food the way you go buy, not eating them off. But I store them in a fridge and then eat them days after. Not a good thing.
It's a mind thing. For me, I'm the same thing every morning. But me used to do this all the time. Me like oatmeal. But it's not easy sitting here eating this oatmeal. Because it don't have no taste. No sugar in there. Me only put the nuts, them and whatever, and the little apple sauce, avocado sauce right there. So it is, so it's a me now. I have to tell myself, say, Marcia, it is good for you. But it's not easy, and I'm the same thing over and over. And that is one of the things too. When me go, that's why I love God for it.
You don't want to lose weight in front of you. So you know, if you go through the procedure for lose weight in front of you. And it's one of two things why you want to lose weight in front of you. All of a sudden, you know, you have a problem with weight in front of you. But Marcia, remember you don't fix too good. So if you feel lose that, I don't really want to see this side, because if you look so now with it, just imagine after so much years people know you and I look upon your image with it. And you feel lose it. Remember now presently your image not that lookably, you know, worse when you're in anything skimpy up. It's mostly the big something them will hide it. And hide the whole knock up foot down there and all them sitting there. You understand? And then when you're ready to go expose all them, they told the way you have. No, sir. Them they favor like some Saint Elizabeth ginger. Yes, man. Then they told they look like Saint Elizabeth ginger. You understand? So when you lose all that something they know. Where you say you detox and you depend herbal and you eat right and whatever. No, me don't want to see that the site there. Make me stay with the site where me used to. It might look bad, but at the same time, I get used to it. This a new one, yeah, if it will work, boy, me no know. It not gonna be a pretty sight. No, Marcia. Leave it as it is, Marcia. And as me say, go and fight your hard, Marcia, because me I tell you, you love the fridge food, them. You love them. So it not gonna work, Marcia. You're not gonna have that they discipline them, Marcia. So I better you just go and try see if you can sell the product. But you not going to do any good for the product. Or the product not going to do any good for you. You understand? So better you go and sell the product and see if it will sell. But as me say, selling herbal product and these type of things, it's nice when you can give your own testimony and it is there to show, to advertise like you're on TV. Say, see it here, it do work for me. Before, after. Yes. But it not go work out so Marcia. So better you just try sell it without having the testimony to give.
Because when you go to Hartford, Jamaican restaurant did it like crazy.
Belly.
Like the
Your
other day,
belly, man.
I bought so many food in
Love
the
your
fridge.
belly, man.
And me no love me, I'm the same thing over and over. I
See me I
practice
tell
that.
you. So it
Every
not
day
gonna
a
work for
different
you.
food or something a little bit. And it is so hard. Me
You
have
have
to
to
eat this thing in different before it's
dedicated
spoiled.
as it won't work.
Yesterday I
And
go
you're
to
not
Hartford,
dedicated when it come on to food. You're not see food and pass it.
see there? I picked up
The amount of food she had take
cabbage,
out her fridge. Listener.
cabbage, and I'm going to the place, and I picked up
These
some
food
jerk
them that she
pork,
had take out her fridge,
right?
and where she forgot to put in her fridge.
And I pick up some jerk pork, right? Because I have food in the fridge, and I say I not touch, right? So I just eat, but I ate some of the cabbage. I ate most of the.
So, how you want detox now? Next thing you got to take your woman detox and it not work for you. You come criticize the woman detox on your platform, how much it not work, it not good, a lie she a tell. When your system a fight against the detox, your system a fight against the herbal medicine. You understand? Because of all these fridge food where you heat and left and a put down and a pile up like storage. You remember when man a go store with pan banana boat and then carry crackers and water, and so she have the food them store up in her fridge, nyam and left, you know, she no just nyam and heat and dash away she no want. She store them in the fridge. You understand? And turn round hot up and nyam. Them the frostbite the food the days pan top of base. How can you buy restaurant food now? You no tell me people. And you put it in a fridge to stay for days. Me not say you can't buy one restaurant food. Eat some, left some and rest in your fridge. But you have to dispose of that early tomorrow morning. It's either in your belly or the rubbish pan. But when it's in your fridge, day pan top of day, come on, restaurant food. I know you cook your yard, you know. And you want to talk about you want detox, you want to take off the gut in front of you. That will never happen on a bad advice with how you can yam and where you want yam. No, sir, it will happen.
Cabbage. I see that money waste. I write in the garbage, it up. Because
That's what the one them in the fridge. You know, that's what them the
forget
way
to
you
put
left
in the fridge last
outside.
night.
Empty the fridge. And that's what the one them
Me
in the
forget to put it in
fridge
the
too.
fridge. Me can't eat it. Cause
Turn
that's
out the
pork
fridge, man. You're
left
not going
and
pan herbal
the heat
and
was on
detox.
to 80 degree in here. 78 degree. It wasn't in the fridge. I remember say cook from who know long from the restaurant cooking from in the morning or evening. So
I go all overnight too. And almost from in the morning or evening. I call from the other night too. You understand? Cause no restaurant now that show them money like that. Them a carry to the last part. Fridge it, fridge it, fridge it. And then when you heat it, it reach you.
I can't hear me. Because it I don't like saying it's cold. See there, right in the garbage. Right there goes right there. How much money waste. Come here and eat it. Because we don't want to get sick. If you go eat food we left they can't play food now in America, you know. And them as
But you do that right now. Because you keep on a fridge food then. Before you just eat and dash away you don't want. You fridge it. And then go back and eat it days after. So exactly what you do now, but eat till you say you can't ramp with American food.
thing I stay in your belly and turn world.
YZ?
Guess what I say? So this is the reason why me is very picky. Me can't cook. I can't cook really. Unless me have somebody in my yard to go enjoy. Because anytime I cook, me can't cook a little bit on the food. Me eat one time out of it and the food go right in the garbage. If you see me name some curry goat, if me buy a large curry goat, see me name it, me left it in the fridge. That should stay in there until it throw away. Because through me I practice myself for over 20.
Stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. It's not all the time you throw it to. You might throw it when you forgot. You might throw it after a couple of days well. But you put it in the fridge to eat it. someday. But sometimes it might just not heat after a long period and then you dash it away. Because if you, why you gonna rest in the fridge? Is the fridge a dirt pan? No. So if you heat and know you don't want no more, you're not going to heat anymore, why not throw it in the trash? Why not throw it in the trash? Is the fridge your trash? But you put it in the fridge. You put it in the fridge with the intention if you go walkie one of the day then. But sometimes through you might in and out, you know, or get something else in them. Days catch up that you might dash it away. No fool nobody. The fridge are not trash.
20 years or more, I had 30 years, all my life. All my life. Not 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. I saw me time. When I was married too, me cook almost every day. Me used to have some family friends used to come me yard every evening, come get food. You see how when Thanksgiving and Christmas when people come yard, all of the food them, when you see them go away, I mean, come on. Sometimes even
almost everybody will do them
one
something
family
there.
friend, she used to have some
Not talk about
kids.
that, Marcia.
And she was in
Get
she
to
was
the
she was in
herbal.
Dohar in ILPN. And she come pick up food every evening. And her son I'm full up and gone. I said, take it. Me not have the time for food. And then I don't have time for food. Me don't know how let me tell you something. The reason why I'm so whatever big is my hormone problem. Once my hormone is balanced out, then the problem will solve. But I have hormonal problem. So me not process the food. You know, and break it down as fast as regular people.
Then you know all of that, Marcia, you name so much, man. Back to back. And you know so all of that. So your hormone system allow you to break down the food fast enough because you do surgery and taking out whatsoever. And if you know all of this and you can't name so. No, sir, this not look good. This not look good. So, what you want to tell me, say? I saw you're cruel to yourself? You know your body can't process the food fast enough. And you eat so much, nyam so fast, and every minute you nyam. No, sir.
So me know that once you're having regular hormone imbalanced, so you have to, once you have that, you're going to gain weight. And once you remove your gallbladder, your ass clot, you're going to gain weight. I'm telling you straight up. From me, remove my gallbladder, me, everything that's supposed to break down things. And if that not did ever break it down, that ass, the weight, they're not going nowhere. You could have shit until tomorrow morning. Everything you eat, you're going to put on weight. Anybody tell us that they don't put on no weight, go over YouTube, go see the thousands of testimony. Me see all one testimony, one woman said she gained 2.
Remember, you know, don't get carried away, people. Marcia is promoting her herbal medicine. See the herbal mania. Who knows Naga Pussy? You say DJ. We are sell herbal product now. See the herbal mania. But this are the herbal woman round here. Curly Campbell are the herbal woman round here. See the herbal woman round here. Listen to the herbal woman.
£100
Promotion, yeah, people?
Thousands of testimony is on YouTube where people will remove them gap and gain weight. So this my weight is not because of me eating. Cause me do when me eat at morning time, me not eat again until 12 hour time. And me not eat food. So is
most time it's not the hours where you eat. Sometimes it have something to do with it if you eat late, yes. And then like you will eat this whole of frigid food. But at the same time, it's most of the time is what you eat. It's not the hours in between where you eat. It's what you eat. You can't eat 1-2 times for the day. But what you eat is fatty type of food, processing food. Those things go and bloat you up. You understand? So it's not really the hours back to back where you eat, but it's what you eat. Alright?
The hormone and imbalance. So when someone out there cuss people and talk about people big and people name too much, it's not the food, it's the hormone imbalance that do it. When I ask you, So once you can get back to it, good luck. Enough for your old age. Uh-huh. You could have nameless and nameless not. You better get that. If you don't get that into correction, that is the reason why the detox tea, I was told,
promotion.
it will correct a lot of things. The detox, and there's other product that she have
Marcia.
that will
sheet
that
now
will
sell,
whatever.
quit now sell.
Come and get your detox tea.
Detox and herbal, a lot of people believe in it, and a lot of people want to lose the weight. So me not wrong, Marcia. Venture in it, yes. Detox.
I didn't start drink mine yet because I was waiting for the something them when me had to go with it, and the and so that's why it right the Amazon tell me say it pick up now, it deliver, so me can measure it out and do my things. So definitely tonight before me go on my bed, me pick it up at the distribution, and so come and get my detox tea. I have detox tea selling from Zebi Natural. I am me's an independent salesperson for it. When I buy a product,
venture,
she sell
new
retail
business
and
venture.
Retail and wholesale. So I buy my wholesale one for as a businesswoman. Cause when you're a businesswoman, you have to try every little thing. And since as there's evidence proving that it works, if you're
how when you find out that? Couple months ago, me hear the pan such woman want do every little thing and try every little thing. Eh? But now you just realize as a businesswoman you have to try every little thing. Oh, so a couple months ago when you talk about and you burn your fire upon such woman, I say everything she want, everything she want, she just run down money. I walk down money now, cause money I run left you and you can't reach it. So it come like a walk it down while it a run. Yes, man.
Severe and eat the proper diet and take it, you will see improvement in your body. He said, puss and dog have the same look, so me I try my luck. You understand? So I am going to try it. So in the meanwhile, me I make my people where come from page. If I order a dozen, and me order, and so if you them supposed to arrive at latest by Monday or Tuesday to the people who order. They're not here yet, but you can pre-order and pay for it. And me have the strainer, the something for put it in, and me also have the tea bags them for bag them out in. The bags them for bag them out in. So you can buy the package from me. When because remember say this is not a tea bag.
Call out your members only. Calling. 1, 2, 3. Members only. Marcia need your support. Copy that. Members only. Marcia need your support. Come out and support. Who need to lose weight? Who need to detox? Come out and support. Marcia TT Curly Campbell. She need your effort to push her forward in gaining some cash because money is running out and she might soon have to leave the hotel. Come on, members only. You copy that?
It's a loose. You understand? So you can let me smell it. Smell it. From me coming not even up my package, we smell it how it smell. Me like herbal stuff, you know, because I up herbal things in my yard too. I need to grind them up and put them all together. Oh, this I look like say you have some medicine that is to knock you out your backside. Yeah, I'm showing you how it look. So this is how it come. Spoon. And she want you level off the teaspoon. She don't want you ice it up because it's very powerful, and she want if you do it now 8 ounce cup.
Marcia, you advertise the product. You don't need to tell nobody. She want you. You to tell the people them how to use it. And this is why I'm saying to you, this is why most people who sell herbal product, who is not the manufacturer of it, them just like a retailer. As you just said earlier, an independent salesperson. Most of these people, they try the product and it works for them. So them decide to sell the product because there is a testimony of the product. You're not supposed to come and sell a product and I tell somebody, say, she say, she say, she say. You're supposed to can demonstrate to the person how that person is supposed to use the product and what that person is supposed to do from what they're not supposed to do. No, she say, him say, she say. You understand? That now promote the product in the way where it's supposed to promote. If you want to get people to buy the product from you, you supposed to can tell the people them exactly what to do. Not to me tell you to do. But after your experience, you already know what to do. So you tell them, no, all they got to do, you don't dip the spoon and come up and bulge up the spoon, you level it off. Yes, you tell them like your experience. And that's how you use the product, and that's how you get to where you is now. You understand? From being Donald Daffy Duck or one of those type of duck. Alright? Yes, man.
Of water stay for 5 minutes. So this is how it look. And it's supposed to detox, purify your blood from diabetes, high blood pressure, detox your body from any chemical, anything we have in your body.
It's supposed to. It's supposed to. That's how you sell a product. It's supposed to. That's what the product's supposed to do.
I recommend you stay on it for about 3 months to get the really improvement of it.
That's not how you sell the product. It's supposed to. You can't sell a product and tell somebody say it's supposed to, and at the same time you tell them say it for do this. This is what it is for. And it's supposed to. It can't be for that and then you're going to say it's supposed to. Not supposed to unite. This is what the product is for. If for them immune system and system set up different and it don't work for them, it just don't work for them. And this is why you need your own testimony. So if somebody will come back and say, no, sir, this not work for me, them know say it's not the product you have to really blame. Say not good. The product is good. It's just that probably your system will override the product. So the product now work for you. You understand? This is why you have to have your own testimony so you can testify and stand up for the product as an independent salesperson. And make people feel like it's a rip-off. But when you come and if and but and supposed to, that not work. When you sell certain product like these, you have to have real testimony to give and evidence to show.
To see a good effect with her alongside with her other products. So you're going to take a teaspoon of this, and also me sell the bags them. You're going to pour it in the like a tiny bags them, like a thread bag, and you're going to bag them out, and you can drop them in your cup. And also I'm going to sell some other things where you can drop them in like a strainer, and then you can put them in your cup. So I'm selling those things too. So you can buy 14 bags from me, and you can buy it. And when that's done, you can come back, or you can buy 20 bags, you can buy whatever it is, and you're going to put it in your teas. This is in powder form. It's in powder form. But don't take this, put in your tea now, you know. You're going to level it. She said to level it. Level the spoon.
She said to level it. You hear again? She said to level it. What you say? Are you a sell me product? Me don't know who a sell. Who make the product? Me don't know them.
Yeah,
Me don't know who you talk say. Are you me a buy from? Are you need to tell me?
So come on and get it. The bag is $40.
You need to convince me.
It's $40 everywhere.
Don't tell me about nobody. Are you to convince me about it?
Or any department place. We not support no department place, boy. We are support the independent woman them. Yes. So we are so we are. I am here.
Comment, make you know, people. Here I know. Here I know. Comment I read. Listen up. Comment I read.
That is how it is. She living in the UK too. The person who makes it living in the UK too. And anytime I cover my page, I'm telling you straight up. And this ain't no shade. I don't want to come over here and advertise by my page with any other company. When I say that, if I'm over here selling something, I don't want to come over here and mention Macy's, Amazon, Walmart, or nothing. That is blighting my business. So you can go over any other page, come talk it. But anytime you come over my page, this is the rules and regulation. If you see me over here selling something, and that is my rules and regulation, and I'm keeping it real. If you're over here, this is my thing, and this ain't no shade. This is a business aspect right here. I don't want to come over here and mention nothing about no other establishment that is selling it, because if I am selling it too, what I will do, the owner for the company, I spoke about her.
Alright, people, on a serious note now, what you said here, me side with her. We have to be real. I am not the manufacturer of Listerine, but me know where people want Listerine, it is in demand. Me buy some Listerine to invest my money in some Listerine, right? I have a platform and I am using my platform to promote the Listerine. I did not told you or told people that I am the manufacturer of it. I go as far and call the manufacturer's name. Alright, me I use my platform to promote the Listerine. Me no need you to come on my platform and come tell me say John shop round this and Harry shop round this and sell it too. Pam my platform? No. My platform and my platform. Me I do business with that manufacturing company to sell Listerine. Me no need you to come and tell me say John round the corner and sell Listerine too. Because basically what you're telling the people on my platform that John have it, Harry have it, Tony have it. So if a man want it and me live way around so, he must stop at John and buy it because John have it. So basically you introduce people to John and Harry shop on my own platform when me take a promote my business. Come on. Me side with her for this. Nah, hide.
I transfer the information to her, and she, but anytime I come over here, because that is like a dog whistle that is taking bread out of my mouth.
True.
And I notice a lot of people want to do it, and when I say something, and
Me
I
nah
hope the
go
owner
against her
don't
for
feel
that
anyway,
one,
it's a
that one
business
you
proposition. Because guess what? I'm buying these products to make money for myself. And if you come over here and you start to advertise other properties and other places that are selling these products,
true,
then how am I supposed to make money from mine?
Remember,
the owner lady can't lose, because I'm buying it from her.
Simple. And the rest of people that buy it from her.
She and I are selling it for the same price.
And the rest of people them buy it from her. Won't come and talk to sell it. So she not have nothing to lose. So basically, my business will not blight it from my one platform. Me never ask if John sell it, Harry sell it. And me never see nobody in the comment to ask who will sell it. Leave me promote my things. Me side it there. You don't have to gear that one. Yeah, man. You have to gear that one. You have to call a spade a spade.
Selling it more, it costs the same thing on Amazon or any other way that I'm selling it. But somehow, people, it is a fact that you love to support millionaire people and billionaire people instead of supporting their own sisters and brothers. So so anybody who come over here, and when me did their product and then come over here and say, oh, so me see the same sheet them so and so, me a black one. So me see
black,
the same something
pink,
so and so,
white,
me a black
and
one.
purple, them Marcia.
Make sure that when time I come over here and see me selling something, I want to come over here and I tell me say them see to Amazon and see to a Walmart and see to and I'm blocking. Straight blocking.
True cement and steel in it, Marcia. Block them, cement them, steel them. They have been doing it to me.
And I hope Zebby Natural don't feel no way, because I said you can't feel no way.
She can't feel no way because she not lose no sale.
I know people could come in, you listen to me, you watch me, you're a very intelligent woman.
She can't feel no way, so you don't have to worry about that, because John and Harry are buy the same product from she. So she not have no lose. And your food, whosoever on your platform, are going to stop now, because them are going to send the people them on Harry and John shop instead of them come to you. When you on your platform and promote it in your circles. So you don't have nothing to lose. What them do, If a boy try stop me food, him a go right off like me prelude. Them a try stop your food, Marcia. Them a try stop your food. You have to make them right off like a prelude.
That's why me decide my mind to use a product and start listening to you. I mean, is an intelligent woman, you have and understand what I'm saying. Zebby Natural can't lose when it comes to me because I am buying it from her. So she's getting her money. You understand? She's already established. Her business is in many places. Her products. And not only that, the more I advertise it and people see the improvement in me over the next 3 months. Her business is going to even go higher. Whether
Marcia still have to drop in there because big deal stick me, because here the woman product is all over. She's already established. But if she sell it and people started to see result, our business will even sell more. Are you just said the woman established already? So what kind of ownership now? Yeah, come on the side now, come go on like say if anybody at all start selling kind of work, more product I go sell. Because if me live at Chilani and me that product never there at Chilani and me see the product, believe in the product, see say the product work, try the product, have my testimony for the product, me decide to get into the business as an independent salesperson, start sell the product, people at Chilani start buy the product, it a work for 1, 2, 3 and the word start spread and the whole Chilani want the product. Yes, of course more I go sell. But at the same time, you can't take no props to the woman business. You just say her business already established. So if Chilani people never know about it, she still a sell. You understand? Simple as that. But who don't want everybody if you know about it, if you take it. But not take no props to the woman business now when can you start selling and you find say alright your little sales gone up from 20 pack to 60 pack to 80 to 100 pack. You're gonna say yes and you make you start sell whole heap more. No. Other people that do it before you and that's why the business established with the woman own promotion.
it is 20 or 50 people, once them see me start losing some weight and start to feel better in myself, whatever, me come out and say, you know what, so me got doctor, me drop so and so, so me got doctor, me cholesterol gone up so, and me start, say the people them. Because even the little time that I come out here, few people had order this package.
A whole heap of people order the Ganzi them, Remember when you're upon your life, you're upon, yes, when you want large, oh, the large not going to fit you, the small not going to fit you, because remember you have a heavy up here, so better you take the large. This is how the large look, look at me, and remember me, I have actually the same type of up here, yes man, take the large. What you want, a small, and the amount of harder you take, same place in which part the guns and then print. And God bless if you sell 10. And right this alone about 15 order me see you get. And God bless if you sell 10. So people are ordering to make you feel like say yes, they are with you and they want to see you progress. Order no mean say them buy. Order and purchase is two different things. Alright? When them purchase now, then you talk. So
when time when I care about news, or make sure you care about when you listen with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, with an intellectual ability to comprehend what I'm saying, and don't take it lightly and seems like I'm fighting against her.
Yeah, let me try call it. Me I try call her word. I try call her. Take a deep breath before me try call her word. One more time, inhale and exhale. Well, I remember the word. What the word name again? Oh, yes. So you're fast, you're listening. I mean, she talk to and you are listening. Anyway, intellectual. Intellectual. Wow. Where did Marcia learn that one? So now first me she call it. But the first 2 times she called it, she never called it so good, Me wonder if she did have shorter break them time there. When she go say it. Intellectual. Marcia gone big word, Baba. Anyway, Speak my mind family. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Continue to support both of the channels. Life is a Mission TV, Speak My Mind Entertainment. Remember the Young Entrepreneur College Student Life of Gabby and Chevy. YouTube link is in the comment section pin. Also give her a subscription. And in my community, I have another family member, Tamika Davis. Go ahead and give her a subscription. Or in my community, I repost our channel and the link is there in the title. Just press on the title and the link will come up and you hit the title. Hit the link and subscribe to our channel. Help these people to try their wares in YouTube. As any big YouTuber will tell you, or any YouTuber will tell you who is gaining from YouTube. YouTube is a business. You know, and if you love it, you will succeed from it. And you know, you have people making millions, and you have people just making cents, and you have people making a few dollars, and you have people making hundreds, and you have people making thousands. But all based on, you know, that one video. That one video, you never know when it will come. And your channel just goes up, boom, and establish. It don't have to be a viral video, you know. But that one video that an audience take on to. You understand? And give the channel that break. Yes, man. So, you know, they want to try YouTube. But me tell most of them, as me always hear it before even my time, you have to love it. And you have to have time for putting on YouTube. You see, especially these guys who you see out there going on them adventure and them something there, you can tell you take time. Because even them like a video you sometimes take time. You have to devote time for them. You understand? So if you love it and want to take it as a business or as a job, yes, it can. But you only can get pay from it. Because, you know, makes sense you have a job and not get pay, you know. So if you're going to take it as your job, don't just walk left your physical job where you have. Make sure disappear you first. Make sure you have an audience will gravitate to your channel, gravitate to your content, where you know say out there. You have some big YouTuber out there where you see some time have had some 100,000 what are subscribers. Sometimes when you look, them have the subscriber but them barely can get all 2,000. If you miss see one channel, about two channel out there we have over 200,000 Ks subscribers, and sometimes them hardly can get 2,000 subscribers, 2,000 views. And for you have a channel with 2,000 odd subscribe, 200,000 odd subscriber goal that you get from YouTube, you know, you pass plaque, silver plaque and get gold plaque, and you only can garner 200 views and 2,000 views. That not look good. You understand? And you have another set of YouTuber now because of the content and the people them gravitate to them channel. Every time them drop a video, it might not high quality video, it might not the same, you know, type of video where drop before we get 80,000 views or 100,000 views. But them sure we get even 50 or 40,000 views after that video, any video with them drop. You understand? So YouTube come with a mixture of things. And as me say, it will work if you love it. It will work. So if them want to do YouTube, is another way of earning. Nothing wrong with that. And it now costs one of you subscribe. So let's hit the subscription button and give them a subscription. Please and thanks. We are here to help who want help. We can't help who no want help, you know. Because who no want help and we turn on and help them, you know. You have to go help them every day and every week. Because them tell us that them want to raise 2 chicken and you give them the money for go buy the chicken. And all when 6 weeks pass, you give them all 8 weeks, them can come show you 1 pound of chicken. One of the chicken weigh 2 pounds. And remember 6 weeks it take for chicken grow, where it can come to perfection. You understand? And all when 8 weeks them can show you a chicken, I beg them come and beg you another chicken. So why you continue to help people when they want help, when people who want help are reach out? And at that time it not cost nothing. And you're afraid to give them the help. Give them the help, man. Bless upon yourself. Cash up pin also in the comment section. You ask sorry to get it. Thanks for watching again. I'm out. Blessings, blessings, love, love, peace. Alright? Out.